Yet more terrible weather on this trip. We're going international, sort of. Oh dear, oh dear. Carnage. Scott, Mark 6 Escort, quite loud. Mint Ford Sierra. Thanks for letting me drive, Lexy. Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, this is my beautiful girlfriend Kat, and as you'll know if you've been watching my videos, we're currently going on a little bit of a mad road trip to meet up with subscribers of the channel and check out their old school Fords. Right now we're going down to meet up with a guy called Scott who owns an absolutely mint Ford Sierra that actually has some real significant sentimental value to it. Yet more terrible weather on this trip. We're going international, sort of. Oh dear, oh dear. Carnage. Hopefully everyone's all right. All right, so we've made it to our destination, a secret place somewhere not in England, where we joined Scott. Thanks for inviting us down, mate. Welcome to the channel. Now, it's worth noting that Scott was the guy that ages ago very kindly sent me a 1.8 CVH pickup pipe, which I was going to be using with a rear-wheel drive Zetec sump that I was going to buy at the time. And I didn't end up getting that sump. But yeah, if I don't end up using that pickup pipe, I'll definitely send it back to you. But yeah, massive thanks for sending that to me, really appreciate it. Now, the main car we're here to see is this mint Ford Sierra that Scott likes to call Lexy. But he has also recently picked up this Mark 6 Escort. Probably one of the mintest ones I've seen in a long time. It's a flight, but he's fitted the finesse alloy wheels. This car apparently has only had one little bit of welding on the seal. Yeah, you can see the evidence there of where the welding's been done. So yeah, really rare to see one this clean. And it is actually for sale, you were saying. So yeah, if you live in Wales and you're looking for a mint Mark 6 Escort, drop me an email and I'll pass your details on to Scott. Apart from the alloy wheels and the cherry bomb exhaust, this car is pretty much stock, and it is quite cool to see one that's not absolutely rotten. So yeah, you're saying that the cherry bomb's quite loud? Yeah, it is. Should we give it a listen? 62,000 miles? Yeah. Oh, very low mileage. Yeah, it's a bit antisocial, but it's not that bad. That's cool. Yeah, check out how clean the engine bay is on this Mark 6. Obviously running a 1.6 Zetec lump. As I say, the main thing I've come down to see today is Lexy, the Sierra. Now, this car is very special to Scott. It's got real significant sentimental value, and I'll let him explain all about that in a little while. It has got quite a few sensible mods. As you can see, it's running the Cosworth lattice alloy wheels, which have been fully reconditioned. This car wouldn't have come with colour-coded wing mirrors, but it now has. As you can see, the paintwork on this car is immaculate. Scott did fully restore this car. It had inner and outer seals and the seat mounts. And yeah, the car got fully resprayed. And it really is absolutely mint. Good to see Scott's rocking a Marcus Hayes sticker on the rear windscreen. Massive thanks for that, mate. I think the Sierra mud flaps are pretty cool. Another modification around the front is the fog light front bumper, and the splitter down there is from a Renault Laguna. Go into the interior, I've got a few modifications in here. It's fitted a Cosy steering wheel, and it's actually got an XR interior. Oh, loving the Porsche baby seat in the back. Genuine 65,000 miles, so really low mileage. Really clean. Suppose we'll have a look in the engine bay now. This is running a 1.8 CVH lump, but Scott did fit one with a lower mileage. Came out of a 30,000 mile car, I think I remember you saying. And just look how tidy the engine bay is. Still running the
Peerbird car.
The Peerbird car, but he's thinking about maybe upgrading to a Weather at some point. The car has got a stainless exhaust manifold and system. You were saying that this was quite rare to find, the Dizzy cover. Yeah, just a really tidy engine bay. It's good to see that it's still running the CVH as well. Let's hear what the long life stainless system sounds like on Lexy. It does actually sound really good without it sounding ridiculous. Yeah, just listen to that 1800 CVH ticking over. You were saying that this car came with Lexy windows in the front.
Yeah, it came with
you put them all round.
Standard.
Yeah.
But not on the back. I fitted them myself.
Yeah. Any more modifications on the horizon, or?
Maybe lower it soon.
Yeah.
Other than that, no, I'll leave it as it is. Yeah. I think it's nice as it is.
Yeah, no, so do I. Oh, that's central locking.
Yeah, it's part of the alarm, it's only.
All right.
It's got a Hawk X40 alarm fitted to it.
All right.
And it's also got a tracker fitted to it.
All right, yeah.
Which works through my phone. If anything should ever happen, I can cut it out, cut the engine out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So yeah, tell us about the sentimental value, why she's so special to you.
Right, my father bought it in February 2007 and he owned it all the way up until April. He fitted alloys to it and the bumper and a few other little things which I can't remember now. But basically done it how he wanted. Obviously I helped him with it as well.
Yeah.
So there's memories there and that. And basically when he passed away in April 2009, I took it on and carried on with it from there. I changed the wheels again to these ones because it had GLS ones on it when he had it.
Right.
It had spot lamps on the front as well, but I took them off. The XR interior I fitted, the steering wheel, the Cosworth one, the gear dashboard, and obviously the electric windows which we talked about.
Yeah.
The alarm tracker, all I fitted all that. So when he passed on, I kept it and basically it's sentimental for that reason.
Yeah.
So,
and you was the one that done the restoration work, had the welding done, the painting done, or was that your dad?
He did a little bit. He had somebody to do a little bit of welding to it on the sills when he had it, because obviously it started to go then.
Yeah.
But other than that, it was nothing. When he bought it back in February, like I said, he bought it with 6 months tax and MOT on it and only give 200 quid for it in good condition.
Wow.
Back that long ago. Basically, the rest of the work is what I done to it then. I sent it in to have a load of work done because obviously the sills were starting to go again in and out there. The seat mounts and all the other common areas they go. And I decided rather than just pay a normal garage to do it, just go all out and have it done all properly.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll put some pictures up now actually of the, because you sent me loads of pictures before of, you know, when it was going through the restoration and stuff, so yeah, I'll stick them up now. It does drive mint, doesn't it? Like I can even feel from a passenger.
Yeah, most of them all like feel a bit worn out and racked.
Yeah, it's really comfortable. You might lose that if you lower it.
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Because of how clean it is, I won't take it out in the rain and that.
Yeah.
Like it came out today in the rain, but that was a one-off.
Oh, thank you. Have you owned any other sort of cool old school Fords?
I have had other Sierras in the past.
Right.
A couple of hatchbacks, one Sapphire, an Estate. But this one is the one that's meant the most to me because
Yeah.
of the circumstance. There's a lot of memories with this car. I remember him sitting in the driving seat driving it and all, like, so.
Yeah. I remember you were saying, actually, I can see the Ford badge on them now. You've got the Ford dealer wiper blades.
And number plates, old tax disc.
Oh yeah, tax disc holder, yeah.
Back wipers the same. Everything has to be right with it, like the little details is what counts with it.
Yeah, definitely. Ah, fair play to you.
Like the door mouldings on the sides, I only fitted them yesterday. They'd been off it for a while because I was trying to find the right ones. New set cost me £140.
Wow.
Because the old ones, when they come off, they were basically knackered. Like, so.
Do the Cozzies have the same ones by any chance?
Yeah, exactly the same.
Yeah, that's why
So
they're so much
Cosworth
money.
tax, yeah.
Cosworth tax. Check out the views. Yeah, we just parked up to check out the views, and some guy came over and was commenting on Lexy, and he actually owns a orange Mark 1 Escort Mexico. There's Ford nutters everywhere. All right, looks like we are switching seats. I know it's getting dark, so the camera footage is a bit ropey, but yeah, thanks for letting me drive Lexy.
That's fine.
Goes without saying, I'm gonna have to treat this thing with respect. Oh, that's a bit better. It is smooth, man. The clutch feels really light, probably because I'm used to heavy duty ones.
It's had a new clutch and I fitted on it, like
Oh, right.
about a year ago.
Oh, right, okay.
When the engine got changed and that.
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Steering's obviously really smooth because of the power steering. Definitely a worthwhile mod.
Yeah.
Even the shift as well, like, it's like butter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really smooth.
It is really smooth. Sure, it's a Type 9.
Yeah. It's probably one of the smoothest driving Sierras, like.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, man.
That's alright.
It's an honour to drive her. It really is.
Glad you like it anyway.
No, it is. It's pucker. I want a Sierra. Right, Scott, massive thanks for inviting us down. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thanks for letting me drive Lexy. I'll chat to you soon through Facebook, I suppose. Take it easy. Well, what an absolute gent Scott is. His friend was with him as well, who didn't want to be on camera, and I can't remember his name, but yeah, massive thanks to both of you for a awesome evening. And yeah, massive thanks to Scott for letting me drive Lexy. It genuinely was an honour. Now, me and Kat need to go and check into our hotel, and hopefully we'll be able to find somewhere to get some dinner. I'll continue this video when we get to the hotel, so I'll see you in a sec. Actually, not bad. It was a bit better than the one you booked for last night. There's no pink everywhere on the walls. We actually checked in a little while ago, and then we went back out to get a Domino's and a couple of cheeky fruity ciders. Apart from eating the pizza, I've got loads of editing to do tonight and over the next few days. And when I get back to London, my main focus is, of course, trying to get Maud ready for our trip to Northern Ireland. But yeah, it's been really cool travelling around and meeting up with subscribers and checking out their cars. So yeah, massive thanks to everyone I have met up with over the last couple of days. I'm going to end this video here. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my website. I'll also leave my email address down there for anyone who wants to contact me. Massive thanks to each and every one of you for your continued support on my channel. But other than that, until next time, from me and my beautiful girlfriend Kat, thanks for watching.